See Lindelof videos, adding and subtracting rational expressions. The first one we have is this one. And it says that we have r plus 6 over 3r minus 6 plus r plus 1 over 3r minus 6. First thing I'm going to do each time before I even start messing with this is just check and make sure that the denominators match. And they do. So if the denominators match, just like with arithmetic, we can move forward, can't we? So then I'm going to start adding. I know that because the denominators are going to be the same, are the same, I can just keep the denominator. Then I'm just going to do this. R plus R is 2r's, isn't it? And 6 plus 1 is 7. This is where a lot of mistakes are made right here, that people see 2 over 3, R over R, and they're like, I can cancel that out. Remember that you can't. You can only cancel, when you're canceling with rationals, you can only cancel factors, right? We have 8 plus 2 over 2, as an example. 8 plus 2 over 2 is 5. Isn't that true? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 over 2 is 5. Yes? But just look at this for a second. If I decide to mess with this, I'm like, oh, look, I see. See how I set it up? See the 2 over 2? I'm trying to fool you, and you're like, okay, yeah, I see that. So 2 over 2 is 1. And 8 plus 1 is 9. But 9 is not equal to 5. What's my point here? My point here is there's a way to test this out and see if you can do this. We can't cancel add-ins, right? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 over 2 is 5. So I'm just testing that out. Try it a different way. Say, okay, well, what if you had 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10, isn't it? Over 2. Now you look, you're like, can I cancel the 2's out here? Can you? Absolutely you can. If you want to, you can just test it using elementary arithmetic. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 over 2 is equal to 5. My point, though, is that because they're factors, I can cancel this. 2 over 2 is a factor of 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Some kind of note to yourself, this is really important, that you cannot cancel add-ins. And remember that add-ins are numbers that are being added or subtracted from each other. Yes? We good?